Yashwant Sinha has joined the Trinamool Congress in West Bengal. Yashwant Sinha was, remember, the finance minister and has held the external affairs minister portfolio in the Vajpayee cabinet. He met Mamata Banerjee at her residence earlier today before joining the party at the TMC headquarters in Kolkata. He joined the TMC, I beg your pardon, as you can see, in the presence of Derek O'Brien, Sudeep Bandyopadhyay and Subrata Mukherjee at the TMC headquarters. Let's go right across to Saurabh Gupta joining us with the very latest. Saurabh, what are we to make of this development?
Well, it's a huge shot in the arm for the Trinamool Congress, and I'll tell you why it is. Yashwant Sinha, politically right now, may be in the, in the woods, because obviously he is not not a key player in the BJP scheme of things, even though he's been a minister, an external affairs minister, a finance minister in the Atal Bihari Vajpayee cabinet. At this point, he's clearly, seen as someone who has persistently stood up to the powerful duo in the BJP, that is the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. And Yashwant Sinha joining the Trinamool Congress, there are two speculations. One is that Dinesh Trivedi, who was one of the faces of the Trinamool and was seen as some sort of a loss to the Trinamool, he could be one person to replace Mr. Trivedi in the Rajya Sabha on behalf of the Trinamool Congress. The other thing is that, some of the things that Yashwant Sinha has said. For example, he said, and this comes in the middle of election, he said that Mamata Banerjee offered to go as, as one of the hostages in release for all the hostages of the Kandahar hijack case, and she made this offer at a cabinet meeting in those days. Then he went on also to say several things about how the country is at a crossroads and it's a fight of values, and it is in this context that he's joined the Trinamool Congress. So yes, it's a huge shot in the arm for the Trinamool Congress in terms of optics. Politically, as a vote puller, he may not be, such a big deal. But in terms of optics, in terms of... Quick
question here, Saurabh. What are you picking up from your sources? Is he going to be campaigning, for the Trinamool Congress? Because we know that the lists are already out. So is he going to emerge as a key campaign face, an ex-member of the BJP, a minister in the Vajpayee cabinet? He's been very critical of the Narendra Modi government since he quit in 2018. So what's really the strategy going forward with Yashwant Sinha?
Well, what we're being given to understand is that, yes, he will be campaigning for the Trinamool Congress, and that's why he's joined the party. There's no doubt about that. It's not just an ex-minister. He was one of the top four in the government at that time, held the extremely important cabinet portfolios of finance and external affairs, and was a very close, trusted aide of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the first, BJP Prime Minister. So, in terms of optics, this is huge. Again, Mr. Sinha's, political capacity to pull in votes for the Trinamool may be limited.
Yes.
But the fact is that, at a time when the Trinamool has been steadily losing faces, I mean, from Dinesh Trivedi to Subhendu Adhikari, who's of course a strong man in his own area and is a challenging Mamata Banerjee. This is a huge shot in the arm for the Trinamool Congress.
All right, I think that's very important perspective, Saurabh. That Yashwant Sinha joining the TMC at this juncture may not necessarily translate into votes for the TMC, but as far as the perception battle is concerned, in terms of the number of faces that the TMC has lost, this is definitely a political heavyweight, a minister in the Vajpayee cabinet who has, of course, he left the BJP back in 2018 but has now joined the TMC. Let's listen in to what Yashwant Sinha said as he joined the TMC.
आपको ये जो आज की घटना है उसके बारे में शायद आश्चर्य हो रहा होगा कि क्यों इस उम्र में, जब एक तरह से मैंने दलगत राजनीति से, पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स से अपने को अलग कर लिया था, तो फिर मैं पार्टी में शामिल होकर क्यों एक्टिव हो रहा हूं। तो मैं आपसे कहना चाहूंगा कि देश जो है वो एक बहुत अद्भुत परिस्थिति से आज के दिन गुजर रहा है। बहुत अद्भुत परिस्थिति इसलिए है कि अभी तक जिन वैल्यूज को, जिन मूल्यों को हम बहुत महत्व देते थे और ये सोच के चलते थे कि इस पर सब कोई अमल करेगा ही हमारे प्रजातंत्र में, आज वो मूल्य खतरे में है और उनका अनुपालन नहीं हो रहा है। हम सब परिचित हैं इस बात से कि प्रजातंत्र की ताकत प्रजातंत्र की संस्थाएं होती हैं। द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी लाइज इन द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। आज लगभग हर इंस्टीट्यूशन, जो संस्था है प्रजातंत्र की, वो कमजोर हो गई है और मैं बहुत अफसोस के साथ इस बात को कह रहा हूं कि उसमें देश की जो न्यायपालिका है, जुडिशरी है,